Welcome to another Boy B vlog. Me and Ride Dollar just finished up some recording sessions for Labor Day 3 album coming soon. So we released Labor Day 1 and Labor Day 2 the past 2 Labor Days. So freshman year, was it?
Yeah.
Freshman year we recorded one as a joke. Everyone loved it. Then next year we recorded another Labor Day album, Labor Day 2. So basically you probably get the point. We release albums on Labor Day. So Labor Day is coming up, so we're working on Labor Day 3. Album's coming out soon. We're going over to B-Dubs right now. Currently at Joe's house, and I've always noticed this, but no one's really agreed with me. I think this guy looks like someone. Hopefully you're thinking the same person I think. Do you see it? Do you see it? Who are you thinking? I'll put it on the screen right now.
Bubbles.
Wait, are you thinking Bubbles?
Yeah.
From Trailer Park?
Yes.
I'm thinking the dude from Up.
I was thinking
You're thinking Up? You're thinking, okay.
the grandpa.
The grandpa, yeah. We're at B-Dubs, got the full house.
Gang gang since potty check my ball. TJ, would you rather eat or suck toes? Don't answer that question. There's only one way to go. That or the highway. Hey. B-Dubs talk with TJ.
B-Dubs talk with TJ. Eat or suck toes, TJ. He's mad. So they did a buy one, get one free. You buy this and then you get that for free. This is insane. If you say bass, there's gonna be a picture of a bass right here.
Yeah.
Wow.
Can I do something really obscure?
Yes.
The bat from Pokemon with really big
Boobies.
And then I'll cut right now.
I told you!
Go to your next one.
A nice lady eating a muffin. What?
Holding his knee,
My
and
dad.
all he had to do was take it.
A farmer riding an ear of corn.
This is good. I like the creativity.
Joe, you're
Our server from Buffalo Wild Wings. Alaskan bullworm. A picture of Josh Keskinen's mom when she's like in the stands at a football game.
you're asking the milkman for some steak here. Joe doesn't know what he's talking about.
I'm just saying random. What do you want us to
Give him something random. Joe, you have one more. Make it really good.
It's conference. Conference. Everybody, I need you. It's a really weird.
I have a good one. What's up, you? That's good.
Wait, what is it?
Come in here. No way you could find that. Okay, we've got it. Here, I'll
Ryan gave me this one. It's a truck running over a beluga whale.
right here.
No
We're
way.
gonna get it.
No way you
Get
can
it.
find that.
A truck running over a beluga whale. Challenge accepted.
It's Breezy here, 5'7", B-Dubs talk with TJ. Today, we started spicing things up a little bit, you know? It's TJ's birthday, you know?
Let's just admire Luke's beard here. The mutton chops. Football season's gonna be fun. It's not my birthday. No one did the blazing challenge because we all just got like 50 wings each because it was the 2-for-1 deal. So I'm sorry, that's what this vlog was supposed to be about. Now I need to figure out what to call it. Max has ate 36 wings.
33.
33? He's going for 36.
For the vlog.
For the vlog. I don't know why so early in my vlog career we've done so many eating challenges. Last wing. I know. Should I talk to him about it?
I was just gonna feed it to you.
Attaboy, Max. Do you have anything to say?
Oh, babe.
I'm filming. You have to do it.
You have to do it. Do it. Okay, I'll do it. Before I get to like here, my you see him.
I could see it.
Is it just randomly going?
Oh,
I didn't see it.
Turn it off. Turn it
Just
off.
take it off your leg. Oh yeah, rip it. Yeah.
Wait, no. Put it on here. Put it on here. Put this one here. No, stop. Shocked my hand.
Before I end my vlog, here's a video of Joe trying to catch a deer. Joe, go get it.
I'm gonna wrangle it.
No, be nice to it. No, talk to it. No! Wow, that was fascinating. All right, peace out. Hey. Just got done with football. I'm in the middle of the road right now because my car ran out of gas. And now I'm just sitting in the middle of traffic and I feel like an idiot. Yeah, I'm waiting for Joe now. He's bringing gas for me, so thank you, Joe. Look who came to save me, Timmy. He pushed my car from over there, the brute, to on the side of the road. What a legend. Now we're just waiting for Joe with my gas. Okay, I just got done with like a football 7-on-7 tournament thing, so I had to drive a bunch of the underclassmen home. And that's the reason I ran out of gas, because I never really had time. So I was gonna stop at a gas station like a mile down the road, but it's too late. So Joe's gonna, actually see his car right now. There she be. I once stole that car. Thank you, Joe, I love you. God, thanks, Joe. But Joe was mid-shower, so thanks, Joe.
Yeah.
What a great friend. What if that's diesel and my car explodes? Made it to the gas station. God, this feels good. Oh, yes.